Hello everyone, good morning. I am Swati Srivastav, Assistant Professor in PBD University, Department of Computer Application. Now the topic is data type. What is data type? Data type is used to identify the type of data. Every variable is having a data type. Data type specify the size and the type of value that can be stored depend upon the application. Select appropriate data type. Now the category of data type can be divided into two parts, that is primary data type or the secondary data type, or we can say that primitive or non-primitive data type. Now first we talk about the primitive data type. Primitive data type is also known as a primary data type, or we can say that predefined data type. Now the predefined data type or a primitive data type is divided into two categories, that is numeric or non-numeric. Now moving towards the numeric is also divided into two parts, that is integer and the floating point number. Here the integer is again divided into four parts, that is byte, short and long, and the floating point number also divided into two parts, that is float and the double. Now moving towards the non-numeric data type. Non-numeric data type having a character or a boolean. Now we again move towards the non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type is also known as a derived data type. It has a various name, like it is also known as a secondary data type, composite data type, user defined data type, or even we can say the derived data type. It can be divided into following category, that is classes, interface, array, sets, etc. Now let's talk about the integer type. As you can see, integer type is divided into following category: byte, short and long. Java support the four type of integer, as you can show in the figure: byte, short, int and long. The byte data type having the size in a byte is a 1 byte, and the short is a data type. Its size is a 2 byte, and the range start from the plus 32767 to minus 32767. Now the next one is integer data type. Integer data type, the size in the byte is 4 byte, and the range is plus 21474883647 minus 1 minus 2147483647, as well as long also you can see in the figure. Long is a 8 bytes, and the range is given in the following chart. Now moving towards the floating data type. Floating point data type divided into two category, as you can show in the picture. The first one is float, and the next one is double. Float, the size of float is a 4 byte, and the value is 3.4 e 0382, 3.4 e plus 0382, and same as a double has a 8 bytes, and the following are the values. Now moving towards the character data type. As you can see that the character in the boolean data type is a part of non-numeric data type. In a character type, to store the character constant in the memory, the size of character data type occupy 2 bytes in the memory, and the boolean it tells the particular condition we use in the boolean type. Only take two value, either true or the false. All the comparison operator between the boolean type, if it is true, then true, or false, then false. Now moving towards example. This program show all the primitive data types. Here we make a class name main. Now here is the public static void main, the main method. Now start. First we define the data type. Here int my name equal to 5. This is a integer, मतलब whole number. And next one is float, my float num. Here we give the value, it's a floating point number. And the next is char my letter equal to single quotation d is a character, boolean, or true or false, anything you can assign. String my test equal to hello as a string. So you can see here are all the data types, all the primitive data types. Now what we can do, we can just print all the values, and the answer will be my num. The first answer, it print 5, and the next one is 5.9, and the next one is d, and the next one is 2, and the next one is hello. Now the next data type is a secondary data type. It include the classes, array, or reference, anything. As you know, array, what is array? Array is a collection of similar data type. Now towards the class, moving towards the class is a blueprint, or class can be conceptual, class is a public, and so on. Here is the reference where we get these data. Thank you, and have a nice